Take a look at this. World's second biggest compound. You've never seen it. Look at him. The Pyro Cartel is struggling. His back's going to go. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. I told you, it's too heavy. I don't think this is going to like where these lot are going.
Go on, Ness.
Go on, keep going.
Over there.
They're struggling. I knew they'd struggle with it. I'm glad it's not me, Matt. I don't want my back going. Go on, guys. Keep going. Keep going. Further back. Just take your time. Take your time. I told you you're going to get an injury.
That's enough.
Come over this way.
Even Big Ben struggled with it. He fairly and followed through.
There's only half.
Okay.
Yeah, werewolves that way. That's number one, yeah.